I have a total of 1 million magnetic balls, corresponding to the rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. There are also pink, cyan, white, black, and silver colors. And we have 2 teams, blue team and red team. They will overcome challenges to receive a prize of $500,000. Today's challenge has officially begun.
I am 16 years old, at my youthful and creative best.
Looking for the best? It's me.
My mother's birthday is coming up. Mom, I have this gift for you. I love you so much. Even though I'm the youngest, I always think my team will win because magnetic balls are my forte.
And the first challenge, build a house for our hamster with only 5,000 magnetic balls within 1 hour.
With 5,000 magnetic balls?
I'm a bit worried because the quantity is a bit small. What should we do?
Magnetic marbles are my forte. I think this first challenge is too simple.
It seems they are getting used to the attraction of the magnetic ball and discussing plans on how to win this round 1 challenge. We will provide each team with an iPad and blank cards to support this challenge.
1 iPad? I don't think I need to use it yet.
I think this card will help our work.
The 2 teams decided to use cards and not use iPads for this first challenge. They are starting their work already. Everyone is very focused.
I kept thinking about how it would feel like we would win and get that money. I get it. I'm starting to get used to it.
Wow, it was not as little as I imagined.
Oh, it makes me very confused. Yeah, it's so exciting. Step 1 is completed. Let's start step 2.
First, I think we need to create the walls first.
I want a slide for this house.
What do you think about a small maze in the yard of this house?
Oh, that sounds interesting. It's not as difficult as I thought.
We're almost done with that.
It looks like both teams are close to completing their models. Our time is running out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our time is up. Let's see their products.
We are really a very good team. I think this award will definitely go to us.
This first challenge is okay. I'm looking forward to the next one. I really like this place. This will be my new home. Oh, a playground full of flowers. But the house is a bit small. Anyway, I still really like it.
Both teams did very well in the first challenge. And get ready for challenge 2 now. Next will be the second and final challenge. Which team will the $500,000 go to? The second challenge, they will build a playground for mice and turtles. Each team will have 1 million magnetic marbles. And you will have to complete the challenge in 4 hours.
The model will be so large, I will need an iPad to design my ideas.
Everyone is focused on exchanging ideas and ready to start the challenge now.
I used this app to do my art homework in high school, so I will use it to draw model designs.
Listening to the design is very professional, and I completely trust you and my team. magnetic balls are my forte. I have never made a model with this many balls, but I believe I will do well.
Okay, don't disappoint me. That's $500,000.
Everyone seemed very focused as if they had gotten used to the magnetic ball after the first challenge.
I have finished designing. You just need to follow and we will complete this challenge.
The design is okay, but it seems quite difficult.
Let's do it.
I didn't think they would do it that quickly. They are a formidable opponent.
We can't keep up with them. My $500,000 is about to disappear.
We only have half the time left. Which team will win $500,000? The fun has just begun. I have a suggestion for you. We will provide you with a number of tools to support your model, including cutting board, pencil, eraser, ruler, Foamex, glue, mica, colored paper, and spinning wheel to choose slime, and 10,000 blooming beads. But if you choose to use the above tools, you will be deducted $50,000.
It's tough. $50,000 is a lot of money.
I really like playing with slime, and I think having it in our model would be great. We decided to use it because it will definitely help us win.
Our team also decided to use those support items.
So they decided to spend USD to use the above items. Now let's toss a coin to choose the representative team that will spin the wheel.
I hope it will be a blooming seed. I really like it. Yeah, that's it.
Congratulations on choosing your favorite item. Please quickly complete the model.
Our team will divide one person to cut the paper. The other will arrange the magnetic balls. That will be faster.
So sad, I ruined it.
I told her to be careful, but
The red team didn't seem to have any problems. I have one more suggestion for you. You will have the right to destroy one detail of your opponent's team model, but that means you will lose another $100,000.
oh no! The blue team will definitely agree to this proposal. We won't take part in this challenge. $100,000 is too much. Yay! We accept! Which one should we choose? Here is it. I will choose it.
so the progress of the two teams is equal again. They continued with their work. We don't have much time left.
This is the final step. We will definitely be the winner. Yay! The money will be ours.
I don't have much time left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Although there were problems during the challenge, we completed the model. What do you think of it? Please leave your thoughts below in the comments section. This is our magnetic ball model. Money, money, money. We definitely beat the other team.
This is Jimmy. He will find the winner. Now is the decisive moment. If you like a house, please come closer to it. Congratulations, Team Blue. Thank you, Jimmy. He's loving this house.
Don't be sad. We just lack a little luck. Please try next time. And please look forward to our next challenge. We have already done it. I know we will win. I will give my mother a very special birthday gift. I can buy a house, a car, and many more things. Let's look forward to the next challenges. Play with me. This amusement park is very interesting. I like it very much.
Huh?
Let's rescue the princess. Wow, it's great here too. Lots of money. This will be my new home.